Hello everyone. Computer architecture and organization. Important MCQ. First question. Dash have been developed specifically for pipeline system. Option C. Optimizing compiler. The pipelining process is also called as option B. Assembly line operation. Next question. The fetch and execution cycle are interleaved with the help of clock. Option B. Clock is the correct answer. Each stage in pipelining should be completed within dash cycles. Option A. 1 cycle. In pipelining, the task which requires at least time is performed first. Option B is the correct answer. False. If a unit completes its task before the allocated time period, option C, it will remain ideal for remaining time. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. To increase the speed of memory, as is in pipelining, we make use of option C, cache. The decoder instruction is stored in option A, IR. The instruction add LOCA or not does. Option C is the correct answer. Has the value of both LOCA and R not and stored in R not. Option C is the correct answer. Which register can interact with secondary storage? Option A, MAR. The periods of time when the unit is ideal is called option D, both stars and bubbles. Option D is the correct answer. The contention for the usage of a hardware device is called option A, structural hazards. The situation wherein the data of operand are not available is called option A, data hazards. Any condition that causes a processor to stall is called option A, hazards. How many types of pipelining exists? Option A, 2. Arithmetic pipeline is used for option A, floating point operation. Which of the following is not a pipeline conflicts? Option C, load balancing. Which of the following is disadvantage of pipelining? Option D. Option D, both B and C. The design of pipeline processor is complex and costly to manufacture. The instruction latency is more. Option D is the correct answer, both B and C. The period of time when the unit is ideal is called option D is the correct answer, both stars and bubbles. The contention for usage of hardware device is called option A, structural hazards. The situation wherein the data of operand are not available is called option A, data hazards. The stalling of processor due to unavailability of the instruction is called option A, control hazards. Next question. The time lost due to branch. The time lost due to branch instruction is often referred to as option C. Branch is the correct answer. Option C, branch. The pipeline bubbling is method used to prevent data hazards and structural hazards. Option A, true. Dash method is used to centralize system to perform out of order execution. Option B, scoreboarding. The algorithm followed in most of the system to perform out of order execution is option A. The decoder instruction is used in option A, IR. During the execution of a program which gets initialized first, option C, PC. During the execution of program which gets initialized first, option C, PC. Which of the registers of the processor is connected to memory bus? Option B, MAR. The problem where process concurrency becomes issues is called option D is the correct answer. Which of the following is advantage of pipelining? Option D, all of the above. Instruction throughput increases. Faster ALU can be designed when pipelining is used. Pipelining increases the overall performance of the CPU. The processor contents for the usage of the hardware and might enter into the option C. The algorithm is hardware algorithm developed option. In arithmetic pipeline, the floating point addition and subtraction is done in Option C, four paths have been developed specifically for pipeline system. The pipelining process is also called option A, assembly line operation. IPS stands for instruction set processor. Option A is the correct answer. The internal components of the processor are connected by option B, processor bus. Dash is used to choose between incrementing the PC or performing ALU operation. Option B, multiplexer. The register ALU and the register ALU and the interconnection between them are collectively called as option D, data path. Dash is used to store data in register. Option A, D flip-flop. The all questions are very important. In arithmetic pipeline, the floating point addition and subtraction is done in option C, 4. What is the advantage of pipelining? Instruction throughput increases, faster ALU, pipelining increases, overall performance of GPU, overall performance of CPU. These all things are advantage of pipelining. Next question. Which of the following register of a processor connected to memory bus? Option B, MAR. During the execution of program which get initialized first. Option C, PC. This question. Which of the register of a processor connected to memory bus? Option B, MAR. This question answer is option C, PC. During the execution of program which gets initialized first, PC. Next question. The decoder instruction is stored in option A, IR. Option A. Dash method is centralized system to perform out of order of execution. Option B, scoreboarding. The pipelining bubbling is method used to prevent data access and structural access is true. The stalling of a processor due to unavailability of instruction is called control access. The situation wherein the data of operands are not available is called option A, data access. The contention for the usage of hardware device is called structural access. The periods of time when the unit is ideal is called as which of the following is disadvantage of pipelining? Option D, both B and C. The design pipeline process is complex and costlier to manufacture. The instruction in latency is more.